What's up, guys? So a lot of you guys have had a lot of questions about my course, what's inside the course, what are the benefits you get from the course. So I just wanted to create a quick video on what's actually inside the course, so that way, if you are on the fence on joining the course but you wanted to get a little bit more information on what's on the inside, then this is the video for it. So in module 1, I just pretty much welcome you to the journey. I talk about um, the mindset that you need to adopt in order to be successful. I break down the entire, pretty much your entire agency on how you're going to build your six-figure agency. So I break down everything you need to know and things like that in order for you to have a clear path to building your six-figure agency. And then I kind of talk about what niches to target, how to price your services. So everything in this module is kind of to prepare you for what's to come. All right, module number 2 is all about high converting landing pages. So in this module, I'm going to be teaching you how to build funnels for your clients. And that alone, you could sell a service to businesses, right? Because if you're able to build out amazing funnels, you're able to make them a lot of money. You can also build funnels for yourself and make a lot of money through that. So that's another skill that you're going to learn, is pretty much how to build funnels. And I'm going to teach you all of that through there. Module number 3 is I'm going to teach you how to master Google Ads. So you're going to be able to go to any business, including yourself if needed. You'll be able to run Google Ads for any high ticket, high paying client. So you're gonna be pretty much in the top 3% of a PPC manager. So you're gonna know exactly what to do, how to put together a solid Google campaign to start generating high quality leads that actually turn into paying clients for any business that you decide to work with. And then you learn how to optimize Google campaigns and things like that. Module number 4 is you're gonna learn all about lead generation. So you're gonna learn how to generate leads for yourself and keeping your pipeline filled, so that way you can always, you don't have to be, asking yourself, how am I going to get my next client? So in module number 4, you're going to be having no problems because you're going to have systems in place, and you're going to learn the right strategies to fill up your pipeline and keep them leads coming your way to sign new clients for your agency. So that's module number 4. Module number 5 is you're going to learn how to onboard your clients. See, in module number 4, you've filled up your pipeline with people who want to work with your services. And now let's say you sign them into a new client. Module number 5 is going to teach you how to onboard them smoothly, so everything is going good, going well, and then they become a new client, and that way you can start delivering your service. Module number 6, I'm going to be teaching you guys about sales, so sales scripts and things like that. If you don't know, if you're not a good salesperson like myself, believe me, I am not a good salesperson. I don't think I'm a good salesperson. I'm not great at explaining things and whatnot over the phone, but I did get the sales script for you guys. I didn't create it. It's actually from someone else who is a way much better salesperson than I am. So you're gonna have the script so that you can be confident when you're hopping on calls with potential clients, and then using the sales script, you're able to get them from from a lead to a new client for your agency. Module number 7, I'm going to teach you how to scale and outsource your agency. You're going to get to a point in your business where you're looking to grow. So in order to grow and scale your business from 3,000 to 5,000, 5,000, 8,000, 8,000 to 10,000 and above, you're going to need to outsource and build a team. And in that module, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I have videos on there, and pretty much these are all modules. There's videos within them. Module number 8 is pretty much just an outro. And as a bonus module here, I go over advanced Facebook ads technique. I'm not teaching you guys how to put a simple Facebook ad together, because I'm sure most of you guys who have looked into digital marketing probably know how to run Facebook ads, and maybe you've done it so yourself. And there's a ton of videos on YouTube and everywhere. You can learn how to slap together a quick Facebook ad. This module is an advanced technique where I'm going to be teaching you how to run retargeting campaigns, as well as a lookalike and custom audience. And these are way much more effective ads compared to just running regular Facebook ads. So you're going to learn how to run, advanced Facebook ad techniques. Must have resources available after 21 days. This module, not really a module, but this resources folder becomes available to you after a certain amount of days. I may change it, depending on when you guys are watching this video. I may change when it becomes available to you. But inside this resource folder is a must-have, because I'm going to give you guys everything. I'm literally giving you guys my landing pages that I've used for my clients that I know that are high converting. All you have to do is pretty much copy and paste, or I have a share link for you guys. All you guys do is take that link and then upload it, and it's pretty much yours. So I'm literally giving it to you guys, as well as a ton of other resources that I'm giving to you guys. It's literally, this is why I call it a plug and play agencies, because I'm literally gonna give you all my resources. You take it, you copy it, you paste it, and you're gonna be able to replicate the same results that I've gotten for my clients for your own clients. The last one here is live calls, and I've hopped on live calls with students in the past, and answered any questions, frequently asked questions and things like that. So if you want to, go through the live calls and see what, because you have similar questions, you can definitely watch those live calls. So along with all these modules as well, you're going to have access to my private Facebook mastermind group. It's a community where for serious people who are actually inside the course, and we're all there to collab and mastermind and share ideas to help support each other grow our agency. So you're gonna have access to that. You're gonna be in a community of people, so you never feel alone, and you never have to feel like you're on this journey by yourself. You're gonna have access to people who's in the same course, myself included. I'm always there to answer questions, so you're never alone. If you have any questions or anything like that, you can always go to the private mastermind Facebook group, and there's going to be people there that's more than happy and willing to help you out. Also, I'm also going to be updating this course constantly. So because I'm constantly taking new courses, I'm constantly learning new things to save you guys money, so you guys don't have to keep taking new courses. But anytime I'm learning something new, or if I get enough requests from students who want to learn about something specific, then I'll go ahead and I'll create a video for that, and I'll update the course. So this is a one-time, lifetime access to the course. You join it one time. I'm constantly updating the course, so that way you are staying up to date on the most cutting edge information. And yeah, guys, so hopefully this video was able to help you guys out. If you guys are, if you guys want to know more about what was in the inside, hopefully this video was able to answer most of your questions. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am, because we are killing it. The students inside are killing it, and I know this course is going to help you so much if you're looking into starting up some type of marketing agency, lead generation, funnel building, running Google ads and things like that. This course is for you. If you're looking to work from anywhere in the world, with the Wi-Fi connection, work from your living room, from your bedroom, pretty much anywhere, then this course is for you guys. Hopefully this video has been helpful, and I'll see y'all on the inside. Peace.